This weekend is all about DIY. So if you have chickens, rabbits, ducks, almost any small animal, you probably won't want to miss this. Let's go build a tractor. I picked up three 3-inch PVC pipes, 10 foot long. Now I want my tractor to be 5 foot wide by 10 foot long, so I'll use the third pipe to cut in half. This will give me my front and back frames, while the two 10-foot pipes will give me my sides. I use 3-inch PVC elbows and a smidge of glue to create the bottom frame. Side note, if you aren't familiar with PVC glue, read the directions. This glue dries almost instantly. Next, I pick up 8 half-inch PVC pipes. 6 of these pipes will serve as a support for the chicken wire. But first, I have to drill holes every 2 feet down the sides of the frame. The 7th pipe will run down the center top and serve as support. And the 8th pipe will be cut in half and will support the front and back arches. Next comes the chicken wire. Now, fortunately for me, I had some chicken wire here, as we are always using it for something. So, but you're going to need about 30 feet of chicken wire to completely cover front to back and both sides.
Everything we are using today came from Lowe's.
We're using 2 different sizes of PVC pipe, elbows, connectors, chicken wire, and chicken netting. The total cost for this project has been less than $50.
And we will leave the items in the description.
Now, if you haven't already, be sure and hit the like button
And subscribe.
and hit that bell to receive notifications for new content. So, not everyone lives in an area where free ranging is possible. We live in a very wooded area, so our chickens remain in a fenced in area, and over time that ground just gets used up. So we decided to build tractors so that we can put the communities of chickens in each tractor and move it around each day, and they're still protected from hawks, fox, coyotes, anything that would be considered a predator. Another reason we would use this chicken tractor is in the springtime on our raised garden beds. This tractor will sit right over top of one of those beds. Within a day, that dirt will be cultivated and it will be completely ready to plant in just a matter of 24 hours. And all the work was done by the chickens. Also, if you live in a suburban area, a chicken tractor would probably be the perfect thing for you because it allows you to move the structure every day so that the chickens aren't so hard on any particular area of your grass.
Yeah.
This tractor works equally well with ducks, rabbits, or any small animal. The only thing I would advise with rabbits is that you may want to put a little extra wire around the bottom. They are escape artists and will typically find a way out if you're not careful. This tractor was easy to build, it's lightweight, and very inexpensive. Anyone can do this. Our chickens provide us with dozens of fresh eggs every single day. So this was a small price to pay to keep them happy, healthy, and thriving.